Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a stick shift. First, let's get acquainted with the controls. You have 3 pedals, the clutch on the far left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. Your left foot operates only the clutch, while your right foot handles both the brake and accelerator. Also, locate your gear shifter, typically in an H pattern, with neutral usually in the center. Now, let's get moving. With the parking brake on and the car in neutral, fully depress the clutch pedal with your left foot, then start the engine. To engage first gear, keep the clutch down, shift into first, and slowly release the clutch. You'll feel a slight vibration or hear the engine note change. This is the biting point. Gently add a little accelerator as you continue to release the clutch to move forward smoothly. Once you're moving, it's time to shift up. As your engine reaches around 2,000 to 3,000 revolutions per minute, lift your right foot off the accelerator. Simultaneously, press the clutch pedal all the way down with your left foot and move the gear shifter to the next higher gear. Then, slowly release the clutch while gently pressing the accelerator again to maintain momentum and ensure a smooth shift. When you need to slow down or stop, you'll downshift. Lift your foot from the accelerator, press the clutch fully, and shift to a lower gear. As you release the clutch, you can gently apply the accelerator or blip it to match engine speed. To stop completely, press both the clutch and brake pedals down until the car halts. Finally, engage the parking brake and shift into neutral.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.